Hello everyone. In this segment, we'll be covering how to enable effort estimate-based routing for your organization. We'll start off by covering how to create and train the model. Then we'll run through writing an effort estimation rule. From there, we'll cover how to route to queues based on effort estimates. And finally, we'll talk through the agent impact. The first step for Eugene is navigating to settings, where she can find the effort estimation for routing configuration. From there, she'll go about creating a new model. Here you can create a new effort estimation model. It requires a name and configuring the input attributes. The first step is to select the type of record that you'd like to see routed. From there, you select attributes that are required for the model for training. At a minimum, there are 2 text fields that are required, but any additional attributes that are selected will also be beneficial for training. These types of information could include things like severity, priority, or business unit. The goal is to basically provide enough context on the work item that is being routed so that it's possible to effort how long it will take to address it. The second step is the actual effort calculation. You have the option to choose between a single duration field, a calculated duration, or an SLA KPI instance, all of which aim to predict how much time it will take to address a work item. In this case, for example, you can see that the duration is the billable time field on the case resolution, and we indicate that this is an effort time in minutes. When we train this model, we will train it to look at the case resolution entity and see how much billable time is in place to actually address that work item. Optionally, you can add filters or date ranges to further curate the training dataset. From there, select Train AI Model and go about training. You'll see the training status on the page here. Following model training, you can navigate back to workstreams to actually put this model back into use. Let's take the CCD record workstream, for example. Here we can go about creating a rule set, machine learning based rule set, that predicts effort estimates for new work items. We can say for incoming cases, let's provide the case title and case description to actually predict the effort estimation on. We can see in this page that the effort estimates are outputted to the following field values: the effort value, which is the time in minutes it will take to address the work item, and the effort confidence score, which is the amount of time or the percentage confidence we have in the effort estimation. Once that piece is complete, we've created the rule for estimating effort. Then we can go back and actually put it into practice. Let's, for example, we want to create a route to queue rule that leverages the effort estimation that we predicted in the previous stage. We can create a rule to actually route it to a specific queue when the effort estimation is higher than a certain value. For example, let's say we have a high priority support queue. We can configure the effort estimation by looking at the effort prediction result and looking at the value. In this case, we're saying if the value is greater than 45 minutes to address this work item and the confidence score is greater than or equal to 75%, route it to the queue. Once that step is complete, any new incoming work item on this workstream will have both the effort estimated as well as the route to queue rule in place. As an agent, I'll now be able to benefit from work items that are of high effort being routed to me when I have the bandwidth to address them. As an organization, I benefit by being able to take work items that are of higher or lower effort and ensure that they get routed in the right way to the agents that have the correct capacity to handle them.